Hello everyone, welcome to Chapter 9, Who Says It? Charisma, Authority and the Controversial Milgram Study of the subject EPC 301, Persuasive Communication. This chapter focuses on charisma and communicator characteristics, as well as the Milgram study. In order to study well this chapter following the methods of social constructivism, you will need to perform the following tasks. Number 1. Read Chapter 9 in the textbook carefully before going to class. Number 2. Study the materials of Chapter 9 which have been uploaded on LMS. Number 3. You will need to prepare the answers to the 5 constructivist questions of this chapter. By answering these questions, you will be able to get a better understanding of the lesson as well as the learning objectives. Now, let us begin with the 5 constructivist questions. Question number 1. What is charisma? What are some examples? Question number 2. What are the natures of a communicator? Question number 3. What do you know about the classic Milgram study? Question number 4. What are some critiques of Milgram study? Question number 5. What are the applications of Milgram study? Now, we're going to examine each constructivist question more closely. Question number 1. What is charisma? What are some examples? So in order to answer this question, you will need to give the definition of charisma and provide some examples of it. Question number 2. What are the natures of a communicator? So for this question, you can list 3 characteristics of a communicator, namely authority, credibility, and social attractiveness, and then explain these natures. Question number 3. What do you know about a classic Milgram study? In order to answer this question, you will need to introduce the Milgram study by giving its definition and looking at its experimental procedures and results. Question number 4. What are some critiques of Milgram study? In order to answer this question, you will need to discuss some key critiques of Milgram study. And the next one, question number 5. What are the applications of Milgram study? So for this question, you can talk about the 3 main values of the Milgram study. This is the end of the lesson. I hope this video can help you study more effectively. See you in the next video.